Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Disney Plus on the Apple Vision Pro. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. First, you will need to download your Disney Plus application on your Apple Vision Pro. So here on your home view, and if you do not see it, you need just to click on the digital crown of your Apple Vision Pro device, and of course you will see this view. Then you will need just to click on the App Store, and then it will take you to the App Store. Then you will need just to search for uh, here in the search bar. You will need just to search for Disney Plus and tap on Get, and you will be able to download it and install it. So basically, to use the Disney Pro, the Disney Plus, you will need just to click on Disney, and here we can see on how to use the Disney on the Application Pro. So basically, the first or the turning on of or the launch of Disney will be as follow, and then you will need just to do as you always doing with Disney Plus. You will need just to choose your profile, or you can add your profile. And of course, you will need just to have already an account on Disney Pro. And if you don't already have one, you can, for example, just from your browser to go for Disney Plus or any browser. You can do it on also on Safari or also from the application from here. You can subscribe and add you create an account on the Disney Plus. And of course, you will need just to click on your profile. You choose any film that you would like, or you can have some environments. As you can see, you can start selecting environments here on Apple Vision Pro so you can have a better experience on using the Disney Plus on the application pro, and you can also after that start watching films while you are on such environment. So as you can see, you can start streaming or your films on the environment that you have chosen, and of course you can start watching and having fun. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.